Okay, can we just talk for a hot second about the fact that there is now a Bounce foundation from the Beauty Blender, like, brand? I'm an Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette virgin. Welcome back to my channel. It is rainy AF outside, so the frizzy hair is going up. Bear with me on this. Today I am going to be doing a smash or pass with so many new releases that are coming out. It is so crazy. I am trying my best to keep back up with YouTube and Instagram and all of the crazy things that are going on with makeup right now, and I am like struggling to keep up, but so are so many other YouTubers. I keep seeing new videos released like, hey, I just did this video about new releases, but I have another one because there's so many new products out. I like to do these smash or pass videos to kind of go, ooh, this is new on the market. I am interested in this, or I kind of have something like it, or it's like something else that I already want. So let's just dive in. If you are new to my channel, I hope you take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button down below to see all of the fun, loud, weird, unique videos I put out every single week. As many of you know, I love Trend Mood and I love going to her Instagram account. She has so many amazing like tips and spoilers and teasers for what is upcoming and new in makeup. So that's where I'm going right now. Okay. Can we just talk for a hot second about the fact that there is now a Bounce foundation from the Beauty Blender, like, brand? Bounce is a liquid whip long wear foundation. Say what? Okay, but it's $40, so this shit better be amazing. It has a velveteen matte finish, 24-hour wear, 40 bucks each. Okay, the line looks like it's got a lot of does it look like it has a lot of options? As I'm kind of looking at it, let me scroll through some pictures here. It looks like the foundation applicator itself is really interesting because it's supposed to like fit your Beauty Blender like right inside of the foundation and pump it, I guess. Because obviously they're going to be promoting their Beauty Blender with it. I mean, you know, cross-marketing, cross-branding, makes sense. I don't know, I think I'm really not... Maybe I'm wrong, I'm like just seeing this today, but there's for sure 3-4 really deep shades. And then the rest just look very similar, but I could be totally wrong on that, but I don't know. They look, all the light colors look pretty yellowy too. Let me see what the comments are saying. This will be available July 24th, which is next week. Oh, okay, so now as I'm looking in the comments, there are some people really ticked off about the shade range, so I guess I wasn't wrong about saying that. Yeah, this could be the new Tarte scandal as far as shade ranges go, because they've released what looks like would be a lot of range when you're looking at the quantity in the picture, because there's like 4 rows deep of so many foundations, but when you're looking at the shades themselves, not too impressed with that range. I think that's about to be a problem. And they do kind of look orangey. The shades that are in there, I don't know. Guys, I'll be totally honest. I don't even buy beauty blenders because I know I can buy just as great a quality of blenders. It's a pass for me. Do you guys love, like, do you guys that love the Beauty Blender really want to get this? Do you not? Tell me. Okay, I just heard about this, and it is the Wet n Wild, and you guys know I love Wet n Wild. You know I love me some Wet n Wild. There is a new collection out, and it is a limited edition Zodiac collection, and the eyeshadow pans are making me cringe. To be honest, I'm cringing about it. I think I'm mostly cringing about it just because, first of all, it looks like Ofra. At first I thought they were going to be like highlighter palettes, and then I started looking closer. I'm like, no, those are eyeshadows. It looks like the Ofra setup, the old Ofra setup. And it also just, like, that aesthetically does not appeal to me. That's not my jam. Let's pretend I'm a 5-year-old that has eating issues on my plate where I don't want anything to touch. That's kind of how I feel about this, and I don't know why, but the shadows aren't appealing to me. Although you guys know I do love their Mega Glow highlighters. I can't envision grabbing all 4 of those, so I'm definitely not going to be getting this collection. but I might grab some individual pieces from this. Ooh, their glosses are $2.93 each. I can see me picking up a gloss too, but that might be it. Okay, so I have said in the past, I have never owned anything from this brand, and I'm continually trying to stay open-minded about the brand, but I'm just yet to be wowed enough to want to give it my money. And let's talk about the Kylie palette. This is the summer 2018 palette. It's a restock? They're already doing a restock? It's already been out that long? I don't even know. It's $44. It's just a bunch of brown neutrals. It's a bunch of, there's shimmers, there's mattes. Heh. I thought with the packaging being like a bold orangey coral, I thought there was going to be some color to it, but as I'm looking at this palette, it is all neutrals. So, pass. Let's move along. Okay, I think everybody's talking about this right now. They're either talking about it or they're doing tests with it, tutorials with it. Let's talk about the new Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is the Norvina palette that at first I thought was going to be really rich with purple shades because of the marketing and the background colors they've been using for all of their promotional images. But when you delve into it, there's more neutrals in there than you think. There's less pinks and purples, and there's actually a lot more neutrals, warm tones, brown tones. It's interesting to me. But they got some cool tones in there too though. So, I am admittedly, it's gonna be a moment here. I'm an Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette virgin. Shh. What? Shut up. I know. I keep thinking I would get one, and then after that subculture issue, I was like, I'm gonna spend my money where I know it'll go well. So I just haven't really invested in one. Now I know the Renaissance palette is still so many people's favorites, so I may just throw back to that one. I don't know, but this one is looking really pretty, and I've only seen 1 or 2 reviews with this palette, but so far people are really enjoying it. So I can't hate on this. I actually think this would definitely be a smash. It's already doing so much better than some of its predecessors like the Subculture. Tell me what your thoughts are on this palette below, because I think it's again a little polarizing just because some people are a little nervous about the palettes since they've had some issues in the past. But this looks really beautiful, but it's more neutral than I think most people were thinking, because I think when we saw the purple backgrounds and then those few pops of purple, we just kind of associated it, but really there's more neutrals than you think. I'd say that's a smash. Oh, okay, so I also, while we're on the subject of virgin territory, Natasha Denona. I've always said I've always been interested in it, but I cannot shell out over $100 for a palette. So the Natasha Denona minis have come out, and in the past I've talked about them, but I've heard that the quality isn't as good as the big palettes. Some of them have fallen out with the Tati videos. I don't know if you saw that, but I mean, my God, look at these colors.
So this just fell on the floor and broke.
It's a little nerve-wracking, especially when you hear they're not the same quality. This is really beautiful. It looks like it's got 2 purples, a blue sparkle, and some lighter tones. It's the mini Lila, and I'm so intrigued by it because I know how many people raved about the Lila palette, so I'm really, really curious. I'm intrigued with it. I'm gonna say it's probably a smash, but I don't know if I'm gonna be buying it, but I really want to though. I really want to try them because their formulas I've heard are amazing. Now I'm seeing a different picture of the Kylie palette for the summer 2018. And now it does look like it has different colors in it. I wish that they'd get more consistent with these pictures so we know what the heck we're looking at. So this picture looks like it would be more coral, but then when you get into the pictures of it, it does look more brown. Like, come on. Yeah, see, now I'm seeing more browns when I look at the swatched pictures. I mean, there are some orangey corally shades. That's still gonna be a pass for me. It's so freaking confusing. Stop confusing me. It already doesn't take much. Oh, okay, so I saw this like a week ago and was like salivating over it. BH Cosmetics, I've spoken about in the past. I adore them. Not only are they inexpensive, I think they're great quality. I think they have a lot going for that brand, and it seems like they're going more and more out of their way to do more launches, and I am obsessed. They have out a new Desert Oasis palette that again, I guess the theme this summer is a pop of blue for under here or just anywhere, but there's definitely always a pop of blue, but a lot more earthy tones, a lot more of the brown hues, and this definitely has that. That one is super duper tempting. It is only $22. I mean, thank you. Thank you for being in existence, BH Cosmetics, because you're doing a great job. Super tempting. Smash. I'm gonna smash that. Oh, ColourPop. I don't know what I did before ColourPop came into my life, but I am a much happier soul because of them. I love that they're branching out even more every new launch. Now, the launches are kind of getting crazy. There's so many. I actually have some brand new ColourPop on my face today in various places that I'm testing behind the scenes, so stay tuned for a future video on that. But they just came out with a primer and setting spray that is super exciting, and I definitely want the primer. It's the Prep Your Skin for a smoother, pore minimizing base, matte and blur, $10. And then their setting spray, it's long wearing, oil controlling, alcohol free, lightweight, invisible for $10 as well. Just take my money and give it to me. At this point, I mean, what's a girl gotta do just to automatically be, like, just say, here's my credit card number. Just give me my stuff. I need to try it. I need it. It looks amazing. I for sure want to try out the primer. I want to try out the setting spray too, though. I do. Love them. Smash, 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 smash. And let's talk about really quickly, though, the Laura Lee Los Angeles new palette. She's got two minis. There is a Like a Boss and Party Animal. And can I just say I'm so excited that she's starting to come out with things that have color in them. I gravitate to at least a few bold shades. I really enjoy that. But usually she's like a neutral gal. She likes to keep everything pretty, you know, earthy. But she's now trying to please more people in smaller palettes. So the Like a Boss is definitely more of that neutral with some pops of shimmer. And the Party Animal is a party crazy, all kinds of colors. I think they look good and they look really pigmented. How much are these? $19 each for a bundle book, $30. There is a lot of controversy and kind of comment wars going back and forth about the palettes and how they're not worth it, they're not that good, some people saying they love them. Do you love them? Is it a smash for you or a pass for you? At this time, I think I'm gonna pass on those, but it's not because I don't think they look good. I think they look really nice. I'm just not, like, if they had one big palette that had all of those in it, that would be cool, but because it's like you have to buy both in order to get maybe a full look, I'm a little less inclined to be like, here, take my money right this second. Because the bold shades, that's all you have. And then the neutral shades, that's all you have. So, what do you guys think? Tell me below. Guys, I could go on and on and on forever. I already feel like I've yammered on too much about makeup, but it's just so many new releases coming out. I couldn't even possibly touch on all of them or even half of them at this point because there's so many this summer that are just churning out like crazy. So tell me below, what are you hardcore smashing and what are you passing on? I probably haven't even seen all of the new releases because they're coming out that quickly. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you happen to be new to this channel, I hope you take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button down below to see all of the fun, loud, weird, unique videos I put out every single